Meaning of Gallipoli.
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 Gallipoli. Gallipoli refers to a peninsula located in the northwest of Turkey. The term is often associated with the Gallipoli Campaign, a World War I battle that took place on the peninsula between Allied forces, primarily British and Australian, and the Ottoman Empire. The campaign lasted from April 1915 until January 1916 and resulted in an Ottoman victory. It was a significant loss for the Allies, with a death toll of over 100,000 soldiers. The battle is considered a defining moment in the history of Australia and New Zealand, as many soldiers from these countries fought and died in the campaign.